In this video, let's talk about what are best 4-lug to 5-lug adapters made of. Typically, the best 4-lug to 5-lug adapters are made of aluminum alloys, but even if the materials is the same, different manufacturing process provides different mechanical performance. Both 4-lug to 5-lug adapters are often more durable. They are significantly stronger and tougher than casting wheel adapters. In the folding process, tons of continuous strength make the internal structure more compact, adding strength to combat everyday wear and tear. If you're looking for the best 4-lug to 5-lug adapters for Fox Body Mustang, look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS 4-lug to 5-lug adapters for Fox Body Mustang are made of high-strength 7075T6 aluminum alloy. They are fortified with withstanding continuous, stronger pressure that improves the strength of the wheel spacers. And the aluminum alloys have many excellent characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance, and performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum 7075T6 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. BONOSS insists on producing professional 4-lug adapters, which are far higher, more professional. The 4-lug to 5-lug adapter surface is black hot anodizing, making them more durable and corrosion resistant, longer storage life. And the BONOSS 4-lug to 5-lug adapters match ISO grade 10 lug nut. The matching lug nut use 40-proof material by continuous forging process. The matching wheel stud use SCM 410 steel material. It has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a BONOSS engraved. By engraving the word B of BONOSS on each BONOSS extended wheel bolt, it expresses the guarantee of quality and the protection of customer interest. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 100,000 measurements, the installation cases have exceeded 10,000 times. We have just supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. And the BONOSS 4-lug to 5-lug adapters have over 66 FDSA TV test reports. All BONOSS 4-lug to 5-lug adapters come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.